Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko aba Sandy Home Recipe. Sende di kan a wohwe me video a. Mema room subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. Na me notification bell no. Say me the video bia beto a wosabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we say be Ghana your Gari recipe. Where your beans no be krene. O krene hu we pe. Now they go sauce pan den obe no ede ewo mu ohia na wo de nsuo ede aka wo eye se nsuo no edoso na wo de asigya aso wakata so ekosita ma ede ebeben tem bia wo ho a ese wo check hwe. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Wo ko description box na ingredients na ede ewo ho aka na bin now the salt there aka ho one mixing in together no akoso amanesi so kakra aha no aye ready na watwe na odi esi nchen na waba okokọ no so eno so ubedwa uwia no atwitwa ne into sizes. What the salt kakra den aye ho uwia no akochi no medium hot oil mu we su ye palm oil wo di begu ade mu na de akosi gya so plantain ese wo ho an dane se de enhye then na so ye den ebebe mpe. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Ahano, are you ready? Now where you esi in chair, no kwakwohwe wo palm oil no, and na wo de jene kakra de begum. Uchi mu kakra wi a, na watwe, na wa serve ni nyina together. Make much send the kind a wo hwe me video a. Mema rem subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No me notification bell no. Say me the video bia beto a wosabeka. Me ye na me taste ye no. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our Ghana your Gari recipe or Gari and beans recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.